Hi students, we can continue exercise 18b. Now we can do question number 10. In the figure, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral with BC is equal to CD. TC is tangent to the circle at point C and DC is produced to point G. If angle BCG is equal to 108 degree and O is the center of the circle, find angle BCT and angle DOC. Given BC is equal to CD and BCG is equal to 108 degree, join AC. DCG is a straight line, so sum of angles will be 180 degree. We have BCG is 108 degree. So what about BCD? So BCD will be 180 minus 108, 180 minus 108, which is equal to 72 degree. So angle BCD will be 72 degree. Given BC is equal to CD. So BC is equal to CD, then angle opposite to that side will be equal. So we can write BC. Opposite of this is angle BAC will be equal to DC. Opposite of this is angle DAC. So DAC will be equal to BAC. So these two angles will be equal. DAC is equal to angle BAC. Since DAC is equal to BAC, using alternate segment theorem, DCS will be equal to angle BCT. That is, this is a TS is a tangent, BC is the chord. So BCT here, same way TS is a tangent and DC is the chord. So using alternate segment theorem, we can write, since angle DAC is equal to angle BAC, DAS will be equal to angle BCT. These two angles will be equal using alternate segment theorem. That is, this angle DCS will be equal to which one? BCT. TS is a straight line. Sum of angles of a straight line will be 180 degree. So BCT plus this angle BCT, this angle BCT plus BCD, this angle plus DCS, this angle, that is this total will be what? 180 degree. Total will be 180 degree since it is a straight line. TS is a straight line. Now we have BCT is same as DCS. So instead of DCS, we can replace it as BCT. So BCT plus BCD we have 72 plus DCS is same as BCT. So instead of DCS, we can write it as BCT. Why? Because we want to find out BCT, which is equal to 180 degree. Reason is since DCP is equal to what? DCS will be equal to BCT. So 2 BCT is plus 72 is equal to 180 degree. So 2 BCT is equal to 180 minus 72, 108. So BCT is equal to 108 degree divided by 2, which is equal to 54. That is our first part. For finding the second part, join DO. Since we want to find out DOC, this angle we want to find out. Already we know BCT is equal to DCS. BCT is equal to BCS. We proved. And DAC is equal to DCS. These two angles will be equal using the alternate segment theorem. So these two, DCS is equal to BCT and DCS is equal to DAC. So we can directly write what? BCT is equal to DAC. Now we got BCT as 54 degree. Since BCT is equal to 54, angle DAC will be 54 degree. That is DAC is what? 54 degree. So what about DOC? DC is a segment. DAC is 54. So DOC will be what? 2 into 54 degree, that is equal to 108. That is angle at the center of the circle is double the angle at the circumference. So angle DOC is equal to 108 degree. The second part we can prove in another method also. That is, up to this you can write, or another method we can find using the first part. We know this angle is 72 degree. So what about this angle? This is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So DAB will be 180 minus 72, which is equal to 108 degree. So angle BAD, we will get it as 108 degree. Already we proved these two angles are equal. That is DAC and BAC are equal. So we got this total angle as 108 degree. So BAC, angle DAC will be 108 divided by 2, which is equal to 54 degree. So from the first part itself we can find out angle DAC. So since same we got now. So angle DAC is equal to 54 degree. We can say that DOC is equal to 2 into 54, which is equal to 108 degree. So you can follow either this method or this method you can follow. Okay. So first we got BCT as 54 degree. Second part is DAC. DAC we got 54. So second part is DOC we want to find out. So DOC we got it as 108 degree. Thank you.